to another Vlogmas video. Okay, so it's 9:50. I'm doing a week in the life of my natural hair, and today is Monday. My hair currently is in a bonnet. I just woke up. That's what it looks like. Just kidding. Okay. So what my hair looks like right now. It's been, the last time I did it was Thursday. There's a lot of curl definition in some parts of it, but I'm about to hop in the shower and wash my hair, do my hair, and then I'll come back to you and okay, so we just washed our hair right out of the wash. I literally have a Vlogmas video coming out about my wash day, so I'm not gonna show you guys the whole wash day. I'll probably just come back when I am diffusing my hair. Okay, so it's later. This is how my hair ended up drying. Yeah, right here on this light is better. But here's how it close. I'll be using this pure argan oil and then for hair scrunchies. Basically just gonna help to stretch their hair out because, you know, shrinkage and all that kind of stuff. Then I'm gonna take the scarf and the bonnet, put those on. So, alright, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. So that's the end of day one. Okay, hi, so it's the next morning. I'm gonna take my hair down with you guys and we're just gonna wear it in an out style. This is what the hair looks like. Freshly out, it's kind of stuck to my hand, ready to take. Scrunchies out. Alright, and then we're gonna lightly separate. Don't pull too hard to ruin the curls in your hair. Okay, so this is what this side looks like. That looks like, right? This is what this side looks like. Pull, separate. Pull, pull, pull. Here's the hair for today. We're gonna go out on day 2, wear the hair just like this, come back, wrap it up again for the night, and this will probably be day 2 and 3 hair, and then we'll style our hair on Thursday. Tonight we're gonna do the exact same method that we did last night, except I am going to actually put oil in my scalp. Yeah. I'm going to, I need to get more of it because I'm breaking out. I'm going to put it in my scalp like so. You also might feel oil running down your face. So see you guys in the morning. Okay, so it's the next day. Next morning, I'm about to go to work. I did my skincare. No, taking off my bonnet, my scarf. No oil left. But right? Okay, and then you're just gonna pull it out a little bit until you get it like the shape and the length that you want. Sometimes if you put the scrunchies too tight, you see how this kind of thing is denting in. So you just want to play with it until you get that dent out. That is today, and I'm gonna go to work. I'll check back in with you guys tonight. So it's nighttime now. So I'm going to put my hair up for the night to get ready for the morning. For this, I'm going to put my head up a different way, because if I put my hair up the same way too many times, it just stretches my hair out a little bit too much, as well as it'll start to put tension on my head. So we're gonna take our scarf, right? And then you are going to flip it over on my industrial girlies. Like such. And then gonna tie it like right here. Try and pull all your hair forward, make sure it's in the scarf, and then you're going to little pineapple. Then you're gonna take your bonnet, throw it over. Okay. Okay, so it's the next style. When I put my hair like this, it gives it a lot of like shape. And then it's feeling a little dry, so I'm gonna take some oil and put that on my ends. And this is the hair for day 4, right? Folks, I need to make this quick because my camera is dying. But I am just doing my everyday schmegular thing that I've been doing. So for this hairstyle, as I am black castor water, I'm going to take my hair, as you see, like this, and smooth it down like to behind my ear, like that. Make sure the part is somewhat straight. If you have an industrial, it's a little hard sometimes. So you want to kind of put this part up a little bit, but you're gonna then add some more brush, slick, right? Camera died, so we switched to my phone. But we're gonna take the gel, close to do after I did this stuff. Just turn around, twist. Formation. Also, overline just so it can dry flat, because you know your hair is still wet when you put gels and stuff in it, and that's why it's moving unless you have a super fast drying gel, and that means you have to work fast. I just don't work fast, so. So my hair is still gonna look crazy, right, and untamed, because it is, and this part's really dark, so it's been like picking it out, but the front is gonna look more sophisticated. So I'll insert a picture of what it looks like after it dries. I'll see you all back here tonight. Today is the last day. Extra stretched out at this point, but kind of like following the same cadence as yesterday. after it kind of dries down, but that is all. Okay, so this is the final hair after it dried and everything, the little top pieces with this. That is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you do get notified when I post. If you want to stalk and stick around, all my social media will be right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!